back. You're watching The Big Story. In a major power shift, the Karnataka government has replaced the governor with the chief minister as chancellor of the Karnataka State Rural Development and Panchayat Raj University. This comes after the state cabinet approved an amendment to the Karnataka State Rural Development and Panchayat Universities bill. Until now, the governor held the position of chancellor. However, the amendment strips the governor of these powers, giving the CM authority to appoint vice chancellors as well. Now, Karnataka Law Minister H.K. Patil has backed the move, stating that the aim is to improve the university's efficiency and bring Karnataka in line with similar practices in other states like Gujarat. Remember, this is one of the contentious issues creating the ongoing rift between the government and governor in opposition rule states like those of, whether we're talking about Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, as well as Kerala.
We decided that the chief minister be made the chancellor of the university, and we have passed a bill amending the relevant provisions in Panchayat Raj, Rural Development Panchayat Raj University Act. This is done keeping in view the necessity of chief minister to be more closer to the education.
Neha Hebale, my colleague, joins me for more. Neha, very good morning. Given the fact that the Karnataka Law Minister has said why this move was made, but more importantly, how is it being read in the state, and was that the need of the hour? Was it a decision that was going to be taken for a long time, or was this unexpected? What more can you tell us?
Well, Nivedana, yes, in fact, while this is a fight now, that of course we're seeing between the government and the governor, they're only escalating. On one hand, of course, even as you have the government here saying that this is being done with the welfare of, the university there, the fact is that, of course, the BJP is terming this as a fight of the governor versus the government. They're escalating. We've already seen the manner in which the ugly fight is played out in the state of Karnataka over here over several issues, in fact, between the government and the governor. And this, of course, just seems to be another addition to that, is what the BJP says. But, of course, as far as the governor himself is concerned, we haven't really heard from him yet on this matter.
Right, Neha. In fact, as you pointed out, stay with me. I'm going to come back to you as far as more that you're tracking for us from the state.